grapes. Once upon a time there was a furry fox wandering in a forest in search of food. The fox stopped when he noticed the delicious smell of the grapes. That's why he went further to see where the smell was coming from. So he saw a grapes vineyard. So he tried to catch, but the effort was futile. He tried again, and that time he was about to touch the grapes, but failed again. That's why he sat for a while and said to himself, "Oh, the grapes must be sour. In fact, I don't like grapes. Why should I try so hard for them?" That's why he made excuses and went. So for the story, there are two morals. If you give up by making excuses, you won't achieve your goals. And the second moral is, if you give up, then you never get the goodness of things. Thank you, everyone.